my babies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Alright y'all, I am looking really bald headed today, crusted and everything, so I'll tell y'all why in a minute. Okay, I went to the beauty store. I really don't be buying hair, but this time I was like, you know what, I need to buy some hair because I really need black hair in my head. I get tired of actually dyeing or trying to dye the human hair, and I miss my synthetic, y'all. I miss my synthetic. So I know that this product right here, it's actually not new. It's been out for a while, but of course, y'all, I just got my hands on it because like I said, I have not been buying any hair at all. So the hair that I got today is the organic. I had bought organic before, but it was I forgot what it was, but I bought it before, but I bought it again, and it looks like this right here. And this one was like $9.99. Now this is, okay, let's do this one first. This one is $8.99 and it's a length 18 right here. Now of course it's synthetic. This is a black. So I also got the 24 inch, but when I got the 24 inch, it's straight. When I got the 24 inch, I saw that they didn't have it in black, so a number 1, so I got a number 2 in this one. It's fine. I don't mind, you know what I'm saying, because it's going to be under the black. But I did get another 24, and that is also in a number 2. I'm not worried about it as long as the number 2 is at the bottom, like a brownish something at the bottom. I'm fine with it. So I mean, it's okay as long as I have that black on top. That's all that matters, is that I have the black on top. If the brown at the bottom, I'm cool. So I also picked up one of their closures that they have. And this is in a 16 inch. So I have an 18 inch, a 24 inch, well, 2 24 inches and one 18 inch. And I have a 16 inch closure. And I'm getting ready to pop this open so you can see what it's going to be. Now, I am going to do actually a quick weave. So this is the closure that they have. And I'm going to tell you, I have not used one of these. And whew, I don't, probably last year, y'all. Probably last year. So, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. So this is what it looks like right here, the parting. You only get one strip of lace right there in the middle, right there. And the rest of it is like tracks all around it. So this is exactly how it looks. And I'm not going to be doing any plucking to this at all because this is like wide. Let me see this. Yeah, so I'm not going to do any plucking, but the parting space is like really, really long, if y'all can see. Okay, so what I'm going to use, what I already used was the diamond. It's Robin's Diamond Balm on my hair, so that's what you see all that crust from, y'all. It's in the black ones. I still have some left. And I'm going to be using the Salon Pro 30-second hair bonding glue. Of course, we're going to need some scissors, and we're going to need a blow dryer and a little bit of patience. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead on. I'm not going to be saying much. I'll probably put some music on and just do my quick weave. I just wanted y'all to know what I was doing and see what I was doing. So this actually this closure was like, it's Yaki, it's a Yaki straight closure, and the hair that I got is Yaki straight also, and this was $8.99 for this. Okay, y'all, first of all, I'm gonna go ahead. I went on and cut the lace that's in the front of here, and if you can see this area right here, you see this? This is more lace. I don't want that on there because I don't need it. So I'm just gonna go ahead on and just cut that. So it is cut, and this is what it looks like now that I cut it. So what I'm going to be doing is actually taking glue, and I'm going to be going, it's like 3 wefts here. I'm going to be doing all 3 of those wefts that's right there, and I'm going to leave this part right here exposed, but of course there's another weft right here. I'm not going to touch that, but I am going to put glue like from here to there. So it's going to be wide all the way around it. And I'm actually going to put some Ghost Bond right here on my forehead, and I'm going to lay it down. So I'm going to put that in first. So I done turn my camera around that way you can be able to see. I'm going to take 91% isopropyl alcohol, and I'm just on a cotton ball. I'm just going to go ahead on and clean the forehead. I already did that, but I wanted to show you again. And actually on a wax stick or ice cream stick, whatever, I'm just going to go ahead on and apply the Ghost Bond right there. I only need it right there, if you can see. So I'm going to let that drop a little bit as I go ahead on and apply the glue. Okay, y'all, what I'm going to do is start with the 24, and this is what the wefting looks like. It's fairly thick. It's not thin at all. The hair is super soft, and it looks like it's going to be nice and long. So they did have 30s, but y'all, come on. We definitely not going to do that unless I see how this works first.
Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a Batman thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest. Then they feel me, killing pon.
Y'all, so this is what one pack looks like, and I done got all the way up here with this one pack. Let me close my stuff up, y'all. Oh, and I almost fell. So this is what it looks like. It is like really nice. You can run your hands through it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead on and open up the second pack.
The rhythm on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to girl, you are me island team. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Wait, she says she won the.
Y'all, this diamond balm can be so crusty. You see that? Dang, honey. Sitting in the front of your damn head, crusted up. But see, of course, you know, you can wear something like a stocking cap or something like that on it. So I'm gonna go ahead on and break out the 18, y'all. And this 18 is thicker than the 24. It is thicker than the 24 far as the bundle area. And you don't need a whole lot of this hair. Really, you don't. Okay, y'all, now this 18 inch, you don't get a whole lot of the 18 inch, and I have cut some off. But the reason why I'm thinking is because the weft is like super thick. It's like really thick on this, so that's probably why you don't. And this is the black, so I've been waiting for this. If you can see the brown, honey, but I have been waiting for this. And actually this goes, let me cover this up. This goes all the way down to my lap. If you can see, this is how this goes. This is all the way down here. When I'm sitting down, this is where it reaches. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead on and finish this up. Let me move my mirror closer. Go ahead and finish it up, honey. I don't measure a whole lot. What I do is just cut it and just put it. I may put one side on and then I may measure the other side to put this on. Move out of my way.
Run down, bad man, I mean they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down. Bad man, I mean they run town. One time, say she no one this time. Bad man, me I give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me I give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, too, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, too, get it on me. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. Don't know, listen, bad man, on the instrument. I give it them one time, one time. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, I just laid my last track, and this is what it looks like. So let me pull this down, honey, and see what she looking like. Y'all got so many pins in here, it's crazy. And I still have a great amount of hair left, which I cut my 24, I mean my 18, but this is what I have left to my my 18. So what I'll do is grab me a rubber band, and I'll just put the rubber band on it. That way that when I want to use it next time, I have it to use for next time. So let's just put this in here. That's like, you know, what I use for my hair. So I need this to dry just a little bit. So while it's drying, I'm not going to show you the result of it all, me combing it down, everything, until I probably throw a little baby hair in the front or whatever. But right now I just need for this to dry, and I'm going to go ahead on and just do my makeup. I'm not going to do my makeup on camera, y'all. So if y'all thought I was pulling it back so I could do it, we're not about to do that yet. So I'm just going to go ahead on and do my makeup, and you will see me, honey, in full glam when I get back, okay? I am back with the finished look. You heard me, honey. Now, I knew I said I was going to be back in full glam, with full glam meaning clothes and everything, but y'all, give me a minute. It took me a while to get my stuff together. So this is the parting right here. I put just a little bit of powder in it, and look, a little bit of powder in my parting. And let me stand up so you could be able to see what it looks like. Let me fix myself, y'all. I love this hair. So she comes all the way down here, all the way when I stand up. So yes, honey, this is what she looked like. Of course, I went and put some baby hairs down right there, y'all. And I used a little bit of the Cream of Nature argan oil because I wanted it to be more manageable for me to be, so it won't be like fly away. I didn't want it fly away. It's already fly away enough. This hair is beautiful, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at it. Beautiful. Okay, so this is a quick weave, honey. Y'all saw me do it, and I have my black hair back, y'all. I love it. I used to wear black hair all the time. I just love the black hair. So, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Mwah.